Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Tigers have stripped skin, not just stripped fur. Dogs have faithfully lived with humans for over 14,000 years. A 2050 study found that an apple a day does not keep the doctor away. A bad marriage is much worse for your health than being single. Daytime naps helps to improve your memory and cut the risk of heart disease. Kangaroos hop because they can't move their legs independently. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. Some people feel uncomfortable when the TV volume is not divisible by 2. A girl's favorite song will tell you more about her feelings than her lips ever will. The probability of you being born in 1 in 400 trillion. Snails have 14,000 teeth and some can even kill you. When a pregnant woman exercises, she makes her baby's heart healthier. Believing you have slept well even when you have not improves performance. Sharks never stop growing until they die. Music can make you feel less pain. Home Alone is the highest grossing comedy film of all time. Humans are unable to taste pure water, but it does have a taste. Some cats are allergic to humans. Aeroplanes have horns and can honk. 8 seconds of hugs relieve depression by over 70%. Women spend nearly 1 year of life deciding what to wear. For 100 years, maps have shown an island that does not exist. Tigers are most revenge-seeking animals on earth. Cats share 95.6% of their DNA with tigers. There is an Obama Fried Chicken (OFC) in China. Men can read smaller print than women. The more you talk about someone, the more you're likely to fall for that person. The eclipse of the sun in Venice, 8 July 1842. It would take less than 6 months to get the moon by car at 60 mph. The more educated a woman is, the more likely she is to be a heavy drinker. If you spend one day on each of the islands in Philippines, it would take almost 21 years to visit them all. Eating blueberries can help improve your memory. Being alone for a long time is as bad for your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. The youngest mom in history, Lena Medina, was just 5 years 7 months when she gave birth to her 2.75 kg son. Drinking black tea can prevent damage from smoking. This is Bareilly fish, and it is the first fish to have a transparent head. Falling in love has a similar neurological effect as getting high as cocaine. People who sleep late have more mental stamina and can outperform early risers. Eight-year-old church in Ethiopia carved from a single stone. The homeless of Tokyo, Japan sleep in 24-hour internet cafes since it's cheaper than paying rent. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. In Japan, all the old phone booths are converted into aquariums. The women who find it difficult to make friends easily are believed to have a higher IQ level. This is Albert Einstein's desk a few hours after his death. Doctors' sloppy handwriting kills more than 7,000 people annually. Thanks for watching.